Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long, but I'm really excited to jump back into filming my videos. I took a pretty long Christmas break, but I'm back now. So I'm really excited to bring you guys what I'm bringing you today, which is a Grove Collaborative haul, and it's been 2 months ago when I started these. So this is January's box, and I just got it in. Here it is right here. The box usually says Grove, but this one doesn't. But this is my box here. I'm so excited to show you guys these items because I started Grove Collaborative a few months back because I really like natural cleaning products. That was my kind of main reason for starting Grove. But since then I've really loved it, and I've discovered new products that they carry besides just cleaning products. Which I do have a few of those items today as well. I'm also going to be posting a review video of my last 2 months products that I've been using, which I've been loving. So be sure to go and check that video out as well. Before I get started, I want you guys to know I'm not sponsored by Grove Collaborative in any way. However, I do have a referral link in the description box below. If you like what you see and you want to go try Grove Collaborative for yourself, please go and use that link. I would really appreciate it. And on that note, I would like to thank those that have gone and used my referral link. It's so sweet of you guys. It helps me out because almost every single thing that I got today, I was able to use my points towards my friend referrals. And I only paid about $8 for this box. So that's super amazing. You guys will see what I got. I basically got everything but one thing for free, essentially. So let's go ahead and jump in. I will start with the cleaning products first, which I got 2 of. And this is a repeat buy for me. It's the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the lavender scent. And I would say it's my favorite scent. Now last month I got the orange clove because it was December and it was like the limited edition for the holidays, and it smelled amazing. Now that it's not Christmas anymore, I don't know if that scent would still to me be like, oh my gosh, this scent smells so good, because it had a very like Christmassy-ish smell, if that's a thing. But this is my like everyday around the year scent that I like the best. It's in the lavender. I really like that they send it to you with this tape on top because it keeps it from spilling out while it's being shipped. So the scent, let me get rid of that. So the scent, to me, I'm a huge lavender fan. The scent is not to me just straight up lavender because I love lavender a lot. So I have a lot of lavender, including real lavender plants in my backyard. It's almost to me a lavender, like blueberry kind of a smell, if I guess that's how I would describe it. Lavender blueberry kind of scent. It smells awesome. So after you clean like your countertops or whatever, your house smells really good. So I would highly recommend this. Another cleaning product that I got, I already took the tape off the top of this one, but I went ahead and bought this Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Cleaning Wipes. It says it cuts grease and grime. It's in the French lavender scent. So this is the first time getting this one. I bought another white I bought another little canister of wipes in my last haul. They were a different scent, and I believe they were a different brand. So again, be sure and go check out my review video of my last 2 months Grove Collaborative. And I really liked those, but I wanted to try these in the lavender scent because I love lavender. These smell true lavender smell to me. It says, it just says non-toxic plant-based power green technology, and they're compostable. So that's nice if you guys keep compost at your house, which we do. So that's awesome. You can throw these in the compost afterwards. I love that. I'm trying to see if it tells me like the ingredients and all that. I mean, of course it does, but it says you can use it on the counters, on the tiles, stone, wood, and glass. Really excited to use these. Because I like to see, like, I love cleaning products that leave a really strong natural scent behind. So Okay, and then these next few products are not cleaning products. They're actually personal products, which I didn't realize Grove Collaborative had the first month that I ordered. And I just got to searching. They have all kinds of different categories, including like things for your pets. So definitely go click that link in my description box and go check out everything that they offer. I got this deodorant right here. I know, it's a shocker. It's in it's in lavender scent, but it's the, oh gosh, I'm going to totally butcher this name. Schmitz? That's how I would say it. Schmitz. I hope I'm saying that right. But it's in the lavender tips. It says it's the Skinsitive? It's the Skinsitive formula. It's the sensitive skin formula. It's a natural deodorant. I struggle with deodorants because if you're new to my channel, I have a really bad fragrance allergy, and even strong deodorants will kill me. So like if I put on the wrong deodorant all day long, I'm like runny nose, burning eyes. It's not fun. So I thought I would try this because I received this deodorant in a smaller sample size, and I think it was one of my Ipsy. And if you aren't familiar with Ipsy, it's another subscription service, but I really liked it. But it was in like a, what was the scent? It was kind of a florally scent, and it kind of bothered me a little bit because usually the florally scents are the ones that bother me. So I wanted to try, even though some of you guys are like, lavender has flowers on it, but I wanted to try this to see if it bothered me with my fragrance allergy. I need things that are like hypoallergenic. It did not bother me. I have already used it. So really excited about this. Here is the actual container itself, and it's a 3.25 ounce. It says no aluminum, no artificial fragrance. That's a big one for me, is no artificial fragrance. And this one as well smells true lavender, like the lavender essential oil is how I would describe it. So I'm liking it so far, and I'll keep using it and see how that works. So they also have hair products. So I went ahead and bought this shampoo and conditioner set, and it says curiously clarifying lemongrass and argan, and it works really well. Again, I've already used this one. It does what it says, like it's a clarifying shampoo. I felt like sometimes I get buildup in my hair from my hair products, and I felt like this really cleaned my hair really well, because I do have my sensitivity. Sometimes certain products I use on my head will cause my scalp to itch, and I didn't experience any of that with this. So I really like this, and I would recommend it. It's by the Acure. I don't know if I said that already. It says gentle and clarifying for all hair types, vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. And it smells really good. It smells like true lemongrass essential oil to me. The scent was good. It left the texture of my hair really nice. I felt like the shampoo sudded up really well. So I liked that. And then this is the conditioner, and they came as a set. You can buy them separately, but word of the wise, if you buy them as a set, it's like $1 or so cheaper. So if you want both, buy them as a set. And this is just the same thing. It's just in the conditioner, and I really liked this conditioner because when I put it in my hair, and I like to put it in my hair and really work it in like to the tips and stuff, and I could really feel like it was really creamy, and I could feel it was really working in my hair. So I really like that, and I used it yesterday, and I feel I really can't go more than 2 days without washing my hair again because I do kind of get oily up top. But this is, sorry guys, I received a phone call. So I feel like my hair still feels pretty clean on day 2, so that's a big deal to me as well. So that's everything in this haul, you guys. Like I said, I got all of these things for just about $8 because I had so many of my friends use my referral link. And oh, there's my cat. She's always got to make her appearance in my videos. You guys that watch my videos regularly know that. So there she was. But anyways, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in trying out Grove Collaborative, please go down below, click my referral link, and it'll take you to the website and you can sign up. Right now, you receive several free products just for signing up. It's really not a hoax, I promise. I went through it myself when I first signed up, and I was so pleasantly surprised to find all of these free products. I got free shipping. It was just really, really awesome, and you can cancel anytime. So go check that out. I hope you guys have a great day. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Bye.